Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to rotate text in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to Adobe Premiere Pro and open it. As you can see, I have already opened it on my PC. To start the process, drag the video clip onto the timeline and a new sequence will be created. Let me adjust the video length by stretching it from a side and have a video preview. To add text, from the vertical toolbar, select the Type tool. Now, go to the Video tab and click anywhere to add a text box. Type the text according to your need. Once you are done, choose the Selection tool and drag the text to change its position. You can resize it with the help of adjustment handles. Now let's start the rotation process. Set the timeline where you want to start the rotation, and in the Effects Control panel, find Rotation. Once you find it, click on the stopwatch icon to add a keyframe. Now move to the ending point, and this time set the rotation value. I want to rotate the text 360 degrees, and a new keyframe will automatically be added. Now let's have a preview. And that's it. This is how you can rotate text in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.